Good Tuesday evening, meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here with your latest weather update. Hope you enjoy the warmer temperatures and the sunshine today. This warming trend is going to continue in a big way as we go throughout the next several days. And overall, a mainly dry forecast outside of a few rain and storm chances as we go throughout the next few days. And then as we go into the weekend, looking at temperatures that will feel a little more like summer, we're also going to see a chance for storms not really coming in until late Sunday. So I think we'll get most of your weekend pretty good shape here and mainly dry and warm. Here's a look at that full 70 outlook here, just updated. We'll have a 40% chance of some showers tomorrow morning as the disturbance will work its way in. So I do want you to be aware tomorrow morning. Don't be shocked to see a few rain showers coming their way through the area. And then I think as we go into the afternoon, a diminishing trend. We'll see some sunshine return for the second half of the day. Highs in the upper 60s. 77 Thursday. We'll keep it dry during the daytime. But Thursday night, we'll have a 50% shot of a few thunderstorms, mainly north of Indy. We look at the forecast radar Thursday night into Friday. You do notice areas, especially north of the city here, seeing the chances for a few stronger thunderstorms out there on Thursday night. So we'll keep that chance in place, but I think the bulk of it will go just north of us here. Friday, we're going to dry back out for Indy. We'll keep a storm chance north of us here, more towards Kokomo, up towards Muncie, points north. And then Saturday, we'll keep the forecast dry, highs in the 80s. That next chance of rain will come in late Sunday as a cold front comes in. So I think Sunday, late in the day, will be our best chance of rain in this whole forecast. And temperature-wise, you can see even as we go into next week, all signs continue to point towards a warm pattern remaining in place. Thank you guys for checking out your forecast update. Hope you have a great rest of your day.